Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Brian right here. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to get started with Adobe Photoshop in just 5 minutes. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon that you may get post notification when I upload new videos. The clock start ticking, so without any further ado, let's get started.
So to get started, I'm going to assume that we have already installed Adobe Photoshop. In here, you'll see your recent projects where I have a few projects in here. On the left hand side, you'll see the Create and Open button. On Create, we just have to create the new projects by entering the name, the width, the height, the resolution, and the background color from the existing colors, or you can just select any color from the color picker. On opening, you're just opening any existing Adobe document or image that you have. For any Adobe document, we'll have the extension of the PSD. Let's say I'm opening this image. The image will be opened at my workspace. We have few panels in here where the upper panel is called the menu bar, where we have File, Edit, Image, Layer, Type, Select, Filter, 3D, View, Window, and Help. On Window is where our windows which are on Adobe Photoshop Workplace can be activated or deactivated, like History, Character, Paragraph, Action, Layer, Library, Adjustment, Path, and many others. On the left side, we have this panel which is called the Tool Bar. In here is where we find most useful tools in Adobe Photoshop, like Move Tool, Rectangular Marquee Tool, Polygon Laser Tool, Quick Selection Tool, Crop Tool, Eyedrop Tool, Spot Healing Brush Tool, Healing Brush Tool, Patch Tool, Content Aware Move Tool, Brush Tool, Bronze Stamp Tool, History Brush Tool, Eraser Tool, Gradient Tool, Smudge Tool, Sharpen Tool, Dodge Tool, Text Tool, Pen Tool, Path Select Tool, Hand Tool, Zoom Tool, and Ellipse Tool. And here is the place where you can choose your primary and secondary color. You can just select any other color, but the primary and secondary color by default are white and black. Perhaps you want to reset to your primary and secondary color as quick as possible. You can just do that by simply place D on your keyboard. The color will reset to default. Back again to the upper panel, this one is called the Control panel, where every tool you select in here will just give you the control on the control tool. Like now we have selected the text tool, we'll have the control over the text tool, like changing the font, changing the type, changing the size, and so many others. Another important place on Adobe Photoshop panels is the Layer panel, where in here is where you'll be able to see every images or objects you have created on your Adobe. Let's say we have this image right here. You can make it visible or invisible. Also, you can just decide to bring it backward or bring it forward. You can create text and it will be displayed in this area. So it's one amongst the important place in Adobe Photoshop. I hope this video will be enough to get you aware and help you get started using Adobe Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Please like this video, share it with friends, and leave your comments down below. I'll be more than happy to see your comments, guys. Until next time, peace.